Hey everyone, nowadays we are using internet to access websites, but most of us don't know how these websites work. And if you're one of them, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll be telling you how does a website work, and I'll be trying to explain all these things to you in a really unchallenging way. Now, without any further ado, let's dive into it. And my name is Ansh Sharma, and you're welcome to my channel, Little Guru. Now, I will be changing my screen to my computer screen. I hope it's visible to you now. And how does a website work? Now, there are three elements basically in a website: HTML for structure, CSS for design, JavaScript for functioning. And basically, HTML defines that I want, like, if you are building a website, then you might want a button in some place. Okay, so if you want a button, let me take my pen. Yeah, so if you want a button somewhere on your websites, then you can use HTML. Okay, so HTML basically defines that what the programmer or the website maker wants on a website. We don't specify that where we want. So for that we are using CSS as our designing. So like I want this button to be a little left, and I want this to be to be its height. Give me a second. I will erase this. Yeah, actually, it's a little difficult to write in this. Yeah, so like we use CSS to you know define the beauty of the website. Like I want a color. I want a color in this button. I want to make a red color. I want a blue color. So these all things we can do through CSS. And like I want a text. We can define that we want a text box. We want an input box. But now what should be the height? What should be the width of that input box? We cannot specify via HTML. For that purpose, we will have to do some styling. And the styling part, this job of styling is done by CSS. Now moving on, we have JavaScript. Now let's take the example of button again. Now for example, I'm having a contact form. Now in that contact form, when I fill all the details, then I want to submit it. Then what happens when I click on the submit button? Where should the data go? Where should it all be saved in a database or anything? So these all things are managed by the JavaScript. The functioning is managed by the JavaScript. Let us understand with an example. Now I'm having a car as an example, and I'll be taking my pen again. Yeah. So in this car, we are having this body. This body is the HTML. This body is what? HTML. So HTML, as I've told you, just defines that what I need. I need a button. I need a tire. I need steering. I'm not telling where to place it. Okay. So as a first step, the body is made. Nothing. There is no functioning. There is no beauty. Right? Just the body is made, and after that the paint is there, like this is the blue color over here. And then after all these things, the logic of this car, like when somebody presses the accelerator, then the car should increase its speed, and then the power on button, these all things are the functionality of this car. So I hope this example was easy to understand for you. In this slide, I will go a little deeper into technicalities. Please bear with me. Now, over here, we are having this web server. Give me a second, I will. Yeah. This is our web server. Yeah. So, our client, this is our client. Okay. So, the client requests for the web server, for the website, I mean, and this request goes to the server. Like, for example, you request for facebook.com, for microsoft.com, for amazon.in or anything. Okay, so you request firstly for that. Okay, and then after that the server analyzes the request, and then there might be some backend present in the server, and I won't go into detail about backend. So just take this, that there is a backend present in the web server. Okay, and then after that the server will give us a response. And this response there is HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is the response from the web server. And now this is how the website will be shown to you. Like you just go into your browser, and then you type in facebook.com. This request goes the request for the website, for the particular website, goes to the web server. The server analyzes and then give you the response. And in the response there is HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So currently let's say that HTML is the envelope, and in this envelope JavaScript and CSS is present. And this is shown into a meaningful way to you way. So this is how websites work, and I think this video helped you in understanding what how websites work. If yes, then please make sure to subscribe and like this channel and like this video. So I will meet you next time, and till then keep learning, and bye bye.